Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in innovative products. Today, we're diving into one of the top choices in airbrush kits, the LOISVI Cordless Airbrush Kit with Compressor. If you're looking for the best cordless airbrush to elevate your creative projects, whether it's nail art, makeup, painting, or even cake decorating, this might just be the game changer you need. This airbrush kit stands out due to its portability and ease of use. It comes with a powerful 48 psi high-pressure compressor, allowing for precise and consistent spraying, making it perfect for a variety of applications. One of the most notable features is its rechargeable, cordless design, which means you can take this airbrush kit anywhere without being tethered to a power outlet. Whether you're working at home or on the go, this airbrush gives you the freedom to unleash your creativity wherever you are. With its 3 adjustable air pressure settings, 23 psi, 36 psi, and 48 psi, you can easily customize the airflow to suit the needs of your project. Whether you're doing detailed artwork or broad coverage, this airbrush will allow you to fine-tune the pressure for optimal results. And let's not forget the precision it offers. The 0.3 mm fluid nozzle is designed for fine detail, ensuring that your designs come out exactly how you imagined, without wasting excess paint. What's more, this airbrush kit comes with 3 different capacity cups: 10cc, 20cc, and 40cc, allowing you to choose the right size for your project. It also includes a variety of accessories to help you maintain and clean your airbrush, ensuring longevity and smooth operation. You'll get 4 paint brushes, 5 cleaning brushes, and 5 wash needles, all conveniently packaged for easy access. When it comes to ease of use, this airbrush kit has a user-friendly design. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced artists. The one-touch power switch makes it easy to turn on and off, while the lightweight, ergonomic design ensures you can work for extended periods without discomfort. The aluminum alloy shell is not only durable but also sleek and stylish in a beautiful rose gold finish. Charging this airbrush is simple too. With a USB-C cable, you can quickly recharge the 2000 mAh battery, giving you over an hour of continuous use on a single charge. You can charge it from a laptop, power bank, or any USB charger, adding even more convenience. In addition to being practical and efficient, this airbrush kit is versatile. Whether you're into model painting, graffiti art, makeup, nail art, or cake decoration, the LOISVI Cordless Airbrush Kit is designed to handle it all. Its high-quality performance and affordability make it one of the best options on the market. So, if you're looking to take your creative endeavors to the next level, the LOISVI Cordless Airbrush Kit with Compressor is a fantastic choice. Lightweight, portable, powerful, and easy to use, this kit offers all the features you need to create stunning artwork. If you're ready to dive into the world of airbrushing, this kit is a perfect place to start. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews.